Creators Alliance withdrawal process. In today's video, we are going to learn the Creator Alliance withdrawal process. So let's get started. Creator Alliance is a platform that claims to let users earn money through content engagement and referrals. Creator Alliance advertises an easy withdrawal process, but many users report that they cannot actually withdraw their earnings. Some say their accounts get locked, while others claim payments never arrive. This is a common sign of Ponzi scheme where early users are paid with money from new sign-up instead of real profit. If a platform makes it difficult or impossible to get your money, that's a red flag. Before investing time or money, always check online reviews, community discussions, and official policies. In the case of Creators Alliance, show the lack of verified payout suggestions that withdrawals may not be possible. If you cannot withdraw from Creators Alliance, the best action is to stop using it and warn others. Instead, look for proven platforms with real earning opportunities. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.